When you need to replace the blades on your PolyCut 7-3 mowing head, first make sure the machine is switched off or the power source is disconnected. Next, prop the machine up so you can easily access the mowing head. As you can see, these blades are beginning to get a little bit worn. What you'll typically see is that the blades will get worn on one side, so you can actually rotate them to maximise the life of the blades. To remove or rotate the old blades, you need to grip the upper part of the head here and unscrew the lower half. Undo it all the way until the bottom part comes off. This black upper part will come off too, so just put this to one side. The blades can then be easily removed or rotated from these circular pins. If you're replacing them, just place the new ones on here like this. Place the black part on top to hold everything in place. There is a hexagonal recess here for the nut on the end of the drive shaft, so that just needs to be placed on here. You might find it helpful to keep your finger on this nut at the bottom while screwing it back on to make sure it all stays in place. Once it has made contact with the thread, continue to screw it up until it is firmly on, then do a final check to make sure all the blades are moving freely and nothing is caught up. For more how-to videos, just take a look at the STIHL GB YouTube channel.